to like, share, and subscribe. As winter comes, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere becomes a top priority for many. Whether sharing stories in the living room or enjoying a meal in the dining room, attention to detail is key in crafting the perfect winter ambience. This includes focusing on the table, where a well-designed centerpiece can bring a natural and rustic feel to your space. Stay tuned to discover how simple touches can bring warmth, joy, and a touch of rustic elegance to your dining space. Let's make this winter season a truly special one. Festive floating candles and pine cones. Place floating tea candles in a glass vase with pine cones, pine needles, or salt for a snowy appearance. Sprinkle festive cranberries and greenery around the glass for added charm. Wood joy sign with deer and berries. Create an impressive centerpiece with a seasonal wood joy sign adorned with deer and berries. Combines rustic aesthetics, symbolic significance, and versatility, making it a stunning focal point. DIY wooden centerpiece with pine cones. Craft a DIY wooden centerpiece for a charming rustic look. Fill it with pine cones and candles to enhance its beauty and attractiveness. Natural wooden stumps display. Utilize many wooden stumps for a unique and rustic centerpiece. Decorate with moss, candles, and Christmas ornaments for a festive look. Round galvanized tray centerpiece. Create a simple yet attractive centerpiece using a round galvanized tray. Fill it with pine cones, wooden branches, and mini galvanized planters. Rustic wooden tray centerpiece. Enhance your dining table decor with a rustic wooden tray centerpiece. Fill it with pine cones and mini wooden logs for a perfect rustic touch. Repurposed old wooden drawer. Use an old wooden drawer as a rustic centerpiece on the dining table. Add a mini tree on top for a beautiful and attractive display. Wicker tray centerpiece. Choose a circular wicker tray for a rustic-themed centerpiece. Arrange snowy evergreens and candles on the tray for a perfect winter look. Brach winter decor. Avoid dullness on your dining table by incorporating a wooden branch centerpiece. Complement with candles, faux candles, reindeer, and a mini Christmas tree for a festive atmosphere. Rectangular wooden centerpiece. Opt for a rectangular wooden tray as a centerpiece, providing simplicity with elegance. Adorn it with pine cones, Christmas balls, candles, evergreens, and miniature reindeer for a rustic winter vibe. Old wooden box ensemble. Utilize an old wooden box as an intriguing centerpiece, creating a rustic look on your dining table. Fill it with evergreens, candles, and Christmas ornaments, adding festive charm to your decor. Birch log centerpiece. Embrace the natural beauty of birch logs as a centerpiece, bringing a rustic touch to your dining experience. Drill holes in the logs for candles and surround them with berries, pine cones, and evergreens for a stunning appearance. Natural wooden dough bowl. Incorporate an unused wooden dough bowl as a centerpiece, offering a cost-effective and rustic addition. Fill it with pine cones, snowy Christmas trees, candles, and other ornaments for a charming winter display. DIY wooden block centerpiece. Engage in a creative DIY project by crafting a wooden block centerpiece for your dining table. Decorate it with a mini Christmas tree and candles, adding a touch of beauty and warmth to your winter decor. Transform your winter dining experience with these rustic centerpiece ideas, bringing the charm of nature to your table. From repurposed wooden drawers to DIY creations, these centerpieces will not only add warmth, but also create a cozy and inviting atmosphere for your gatherings. Embrace the rustic vibes and let your dining table shine with winter elegance.